Hello everyone, and welcome to my filmed process of how I go about designing some of my 3D type designs. This is a bit of a different video than what I usually do, but I wanted to incorporate some filming as well today, so I thought it'd be pretty cool way of going about a video. So to begin my planning, I sometimes require a word to use for my type foundation, so I start looking for words which consist of angular letters, which I know will have some impact when combined next to each other. So this is me sketching out some ideas for the words I could potentially use, and these are words that have sharp edges, they are very angular, and it's something that I'm looking into the future with this design, so I'm kind of assuming how these words will interact with each other. So the word I went with was, for this design, was the word synapse, and this uses some nice lines that combine next to each other. So the Y stem meets well with the N, and the A meets well with the N as well. So I'm looking at as well the shape of where the form is going to go, so how this shape is going to fit into an overall form. So here's me doing some more sketches. I'm looking at how that's going to work, look how sharp these angles are, and potentially how thick this type is going to be. Feel free to take as long as you need in this activity. It's important to get a good basis of how this is going to look. And you can see I've built more of a refined shape that I'm then building this font into. And yeah, this is important for me. This was a really important part for the whole piece itself, and really gave the foundation for where I wanted to go. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. I am going to be making more videos like this very soon. I've been filming this on top of about 20 books, so it was a bit of a task to film, but we got it done. So this is the final design that I'm going with, and although it looks quite a bit of a mess at the moment, I'm hoping that I can take it forward into the next step. So I'm going to be putting the book away for now, and we're going to go straight to the iPad. Don't be discouraged by if you don't have an iPad. You can apply these upcoming techniques within other digital design programs such as Photoshop and Illustrator. Okay, so I've imported the photo from the sketch, and I'm basically lowering the opacity, and I'm going to start sketching over the top of the original design. This is where I'm basically going to start refining where these lines are going to be, using this sketchy look to basically give me inspiration in what are the lines I'm gonna be creating. So as you can see, I am whipping through this, and yeah, I'm basically making the most of this sketchy look by adding some gaps in the type, and I'm really thinking in the future for like when I import this into Blender, how these lines will interact with each other when I smooth them out, and yeah, breaking up the type itself. It's important to acknowledge at this point that potentially the word synapse is almost gone from this type, and you can take your own impression from that. I personally think that's fine. So yeah, this is the final design for the sketch. I've basically gone over and redefined the overall look and give it a final sketch over in a more finalized pen. So yeah, that was my process for something that I can take forward into Blender. If you would like to learn on how to make your own sketches into 3D, follow the video found in the description below, and I may be uploading this to my Gumroad as well at some point, this project file. But stick around, and thanks for watching.